Kia ora. My name's Nick Kelly. I'm standing outside Westminster, and unlike Rishi Sunak, I'm not doing so in the pouring rain. For the last 5 years, I've worked in and around Westminster in policy advisor roles. It's fair to say that in that time, UK politics has been quite a shambles. We saw the mishandling of the pandemic, thousands of lives were needlessly lost due to terrible actions and inactions by the government. We saw Partygate, where Prime Minister Boris Johnson and some of his senior officials lied about having illegal parties in Number 10, breaching their own lockdown rules. Then you had Liz Truss and Kwasi Kwarteng's mini budget, where they had unfunded tax cuts, costing the economy billions of pounds and destroying the UK Conservative Party's reputation as sound economic managers. Labour are currently ahead in the polls, although they face some of their own challenges, as we saw last week with selections for candidates. I will be writing a column, regularly giving my analysis of what's happening in UK politics. You can check out my first one on the link below at Newsroom. Thank you.